In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1098E on H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to switch over to Federal here, and you want to go through your info, so just fill this part in, take your time, make sure you actually double check everything, and then you'll be able to come to the second part, which is income. Inside income, you'll be able to basically answer a few basic questions, a few questions in the beginning, and then you'll see either your income is looking a little empty here, and you want to click on add another income, or usually what actually happens is you'll just be able to see how did you earn money last year. Now, this part is important because you want to scroll down, and the easiest way to find this is to go where it says search for a form, and you want to type in 1098-E. And when you do that here, as you can see, it's going to say 1098E, and this is a deduction, so you want to click on plus add, and what's going to happen here, it's actually going to add it over here to your deductions section. So it says form added to the deductions section of your taxes, and it says you haven't reached that yet, so of course you'll be able to do that whenever you finish your income part, and then you'll go to the deductions page, and in there, your 1098E is going to be looking for you or waiting for you, and then you'll be able to basically just start it, and with the help of H&R Block, you'll be able to finish it and fill it out. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.